world and TBC community. My name is Senyu Taria from Ghana, precisely Volta region. Once again, I want to share a word with you concerning TBC. First of all, I hope everybody in the TBC community know that there is a cookie reward redeeming of the cookie reward is ongoing. I want to assure you, those in this community, never give up. Continue whatever you are doing for cooking reward. My people, my friend, my brother, keep on. You just talk to your friend, your brother, your sister, your family members, for them to come and join TBC community, so that the community will be great. The more people coming, the more the community will be great, and the more you achieve one goal. Cookie reward, those have more than those having above 100 TBC in the cookie reward side. Admin is saying that the redeeming of the cooking reward, they will maximum give you 100 TBC. If you have more than that, you only get 100 TBC for now. But the rest will be there for you. For the next cooking reward, cooking redemption, you redeem it again. So if you see that your cookies is many and it is more than 100 TBC, and when you redeem it, you see that they only give you 100 TBC, you don't worry. The rest is there for you. For the next redemption day, you redeem it. Keep on working. Any cookie reward you get in your back office is for you. It's for you. So keep on working. You, remember, you don't use it alone. Talk to your people. Talk to your friends. Let's also come and join it. And also, those who are in the TBC community, some of them, they just sign up, register, but they did not pay the wallet fee. Why? Maybe from the beginning, you did not believe in TBC. But now, what are you saying about it? Some of the people, they register. They didn't pay admin fee, wallet fee. And they are just sitting down there. Maybe, I don't know, their understanding, they don't have the understanding concerning this TBC. That is why. But now, I'm sure, whatever, where TBC is now, I am sure you know something little about it. You have a little knowledge about it. Then why are you still waiting before pay the wallet fee? Admin is so good. You just go and pay a wallet fee, and you redeem and try to redeem it. When you go to migrate, you just migrate it from the TBC 004.net to TBC 009.net. You get it. You get it will not lose. Admin is so good to keep it for you. Some of the people, they just register and get that free Pringles that admin is giving, and they just sitting down. Try to buy some, because TBC is going to be a cryptocurrency which people will be looking for it, and they will not get it easy as now you are getting it. So I want you to get it now, how it is easy now. My brother, my people, my friend, I think you have a little knowledge about it. Okay, some of the people, they have one coin or they have small Pringles in their wallet, but they don't want to buy. And some of them, they have it, they don't want to talk to their friends to also to join. I want to tell you that if you tell your friend join, TBC admin will reward you. Admin, they are so good. Any work you done for them, they will give you some bonus. They will reward you. So now there is a cookie reward going. If you talk to 2 persons and they are able to pay their wallet fee within 24 hours, you will be rewarded. And if those under you, those two under you, they will also talk to somebody and they are also were able to get their under people, and they also pay their wallet fee before 24 hours, 48 hours, they will get their bonus, and you also get more. If you are able to find people, at least 100 people, you get 10 TBC. If you are able to get 1,000 people, you will get 100 TBC. And what are you waiting for? Let's go to those people. Maybe you are there, you did not hear about TBC. Today, I want to tell you that there is a cryptocurrency, the billion coin. We call it the billion coin. It's there. It's a cryptocurrency. My people, go and look for it. Now, go into Kringle Cash. Kringle.cash. When you go there, if you go there, you sign up there. When you sign up, admin is giving out some Kringles there for free. Go and sign up there and grab your free one. Remember to pay your wallet fee. My people, my friend, the whole world, I can assure you, TBC is going to be a something in the future. Some of the people, they don't understand TBC, so they just have it. One thing I want to remind you, it is good to be attending send button meeting every Monday. If you are in Ghana, from 2 o'clock going, try to be attending sending button meeting. There is important messages there anytime you go to that meeting, and they will even reward you for coming to the meeting. You go to your back office. Maybe you don't know that there is a meeting we call send button meeting. You just go to your Kringle back office, go to the under, you press on, you see the last one, you see that send button, you press on it, you see the language, it will open, you see the languages there, send button meeting English, send button meeting French, send button meeting German. You see all of them there. The one that you listen to, you just click on it. You can see there your back office there. They will send you a YouTube link. You click on it, then you start hearing the meeting, the discussions. There is a wonderful discussions there. When you are going to the send button meeting, you'll be hearing, and you know more about TBC, and you know the future plans. You understand TBC. You have the mission of TBC. You understand everything. You will hear everything. But when you sign up, you get your Kringles, and you just keep quiet, sitting down there. Oh, my brother, my friend, my fellow TBC. If you sign up and you don't understand TBC, you just sign up and you keep it there. Meaning you don't know what you are doing, and meaning you don't know what TBC is. But if you want to know what TBC is, all the time you have to be finding information about it. TBC is real money. It's real money, future money. We are going to spend it, and we are even spending it now. Don't hesitate. Don't let this opportunity go. Grab it. Grab some of TBC. Kringles. You who are there looking at me, listening to me, you don't know anything about TBC. TBC is a cryptocurrency. those who didn't hear anything about TBC, you are hearing it now. TBC is a cryptocurrency. We call it the billion coin. The shortest name is TBC. TBC is a cryptocurrency. It's a money you use, not a something that today, tomorrow it will finish. It's up to the future. How you use money, the way you use money, you are using money till now. That is how TBC also is. You will be using it day in, day out until you die, until your end. So, how you are working to get money, work on this TBC to get something, because it is also a money. You can carry it along everywhere you go. TBC is there. You can use it anywhere you go. TBC is Philippines, US, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, every part of the world. TBC is there. You can use it. So you just go and sign up for it. Go to the clinical back office, sign up there, come to the TBC 009.net and register your wallet. Try to buy some. You get your reward. Any amount you buy, you get its reward. So when you sign up, try to pay your wallet fee so that you can be using it. Now admin is planning to create this thing, small wallet within the wallet, so that any amount, smallest amount you want to use, you can use that smallest wallet. It is also there. All the time admin is planning to bring it, how you use TBC, how you can easily use it. You will not find it difficult. So I can see it's a planning, it's a proper planning. TBC is proper planning. So grab yours. Thank you. Later.